Hey there, Monster Gardeners. I'm Dylan, and welcome back to another episode of the Grow Closet. Today we're going to be talking about farmer's defense. Not sure if you noticed. I'm Dylan Attenborough. I recently found out I was part English. My Irish side of the family is very upset. Today we're going to be talking about a company called Farmer's Defense. Now, they make some really nice straw hats, one of which I'm wearing. They also have a lot of really interesting designs for these hats, one of them being a nice flower design. I believe they have, a leaf camo as well. The one that I'm wearing actually is really cool because it's a part of an art collection that was created by a local Santa Cruz artist and muralist, Taylor Reinhold. And so they try to utilize or bring in, local artists or artists to provide kind of multiple styles that you can match everything. So you could have the seaweed hat, you can have the seaweed sleeves, you can even have the seaweed neck gaiter, and have everything decked out that Taylor Reinhold made. It's pretty cool. So diving into this product, as you can see, nice embroidered logo on there. The straw hat, honestly, it seems like it's made very well. I just got these sent in, so I haven't gotten to use them. I'd probably take them fishing. I don't have outdoor going right now, unfortunately, but I feel like this would be a great hat to go fishing with. Underneath, nice design, as I mentioned, and a really sturdy chin strap, it looks like. Adjustable as well, with one of these little adjustable knobs on there. And then a very well-designed sweatband. When I first put this on, actually, it kind of not only secured it onto my head, but it's pretty hot up here where we're filming, and I haven't had any issues with sweat or anything like that. So I feel like this would be perfect for going outside and working on the farm all day, or hanging out at the beach, going fishing, whatever you'd like to do outside. It seems like a very well put together hat. Unfortunately, we're all out of stock here at Monster Garden store at this time, but you can purchase them from farmersdefense.com. And if you spend more than $50, you'll get free shipping anywhere in the continental United States, as well as having a 60-day guarantee. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.